Hi, it's Hard Reset, and today I'll show you how to set up Scam Copilot on Bitdefender app. So first, open the dashboard, go to Scam Copilot and click Get Start. Now it's configuring Scam Copilot. New ScamWave alerts, so enable. You can add email account in here, but I'll just skip for now. And keep all your device protected from scan. You can open your camera, point it steadily towards the QR code and install the Scam Copilot on your other device. And now finish and you are all set. That's it, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.